Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cameron for those of you that are new here, and this is Beauty with Cameron. I got my hands on a new steamer. I finally bought a new facial steamer. If you know, and if you saw my first skincare video that I did on my channel, then you know that this is the old steamer that I was using. I've had this steamer for maybe 3 years now. She got to go. For one, this steamer has no settings, and I think this steamer was only like $12, but it has no settings. Like, it's just on and off. That's it. It's kind of difficult to clean because you only have like that little opening. And she burned me. Like, she literally popped me in that video. I decided to replace her with this. I got this steamer off of Amazon. This is the Luxe Glow Facial Steamer Spa Kit. Comes with 17 beauty tools and products. And today I'm going to be unboxing it and just showing y'all everything that comes with it. I'm also going to link the steamer in the description box. This video is not sponsored. In case you're interested in the product after I open it, it's there for you. Open it out the plastic. So this is my new steamer. First, I actually want to give y'all the 411 on the steamer because y'all don't know what's in it. You don't know what comes with it. You don't know the difference between this steamer and the new steamer. So I'm going to be telling you the difference in the two. I've already told you that this one doesn't do much. It's just the on and off button, and that's it. The old steamer also came with this little cup to fill it up. But other than that, it doesn't really have much. But this new steamer, it says, for the ultimate spa day at home, brings out a radiant glow, hydrates and moisturizes, ensures deep skin cleansing and exfoliation, decongests clogged pores and treats persistent zits and blackheads, relieves skin tension and makes it firmer, softens oil deposits and impurities for easy extraction, boosts circulation, cell vitality, and oxygen absorption. Increases product penetration and efficiency. There are 3 effective modes of the steamer. So we have steam mode. Steam mode lets the hot mist from the facial steamer do its magic on my face or your face, decongesting the pores and stimulating the removal of blackheads, whiteheads, skin toxins, cosmetics, residue, and etc. The humidifier mode. So wait a minute. You know what, let me just keep going. The humidifier mode purifies the air in your living space with the touch of essential oils. Start or end your day right, meditate, unwind, and relax. And then the last mode that we have is towel warming mode, which I think I'm very excited about because when I bought this, I looked at the reviews and I was just like, okay, it's good. But I didn't know that there was a towel warming mode on this. Like, there's an actual towel warmer in this. Refreshing and get an energy boost using warm toasted towels from the bonus towel warming chamber. Use it as a chemical-free alternative to removing makeup. It has this and it says world's best technology for 10 times better results. Nano ionic technology, aroma diffuser, 170 milliliter large water tank, ergonomic design, warm towel chamber, silent operating device. So it's silent, which I love because this steamer used to literally sound like a motherfucker. This steamer used to sound like a damn boiling water on the stove, like literally. I'm excited for this. Luxe Glow's advanced nano ionic technology produces nano steam with negatively charged ions, containing particles 4,000 times finer than regular steam. This penetrates 10 times deeper for intense hydration, opens pores for deep cleansing, removes blackheads, unclogs pores, and boosts nutrients absorption. I don't know why that was so hard to read. Somebody call Casanat. Water tank capacity, 170 milliliters, which we already talked about that. The humidifier work time is 20 minutes at full capacity. The preheating time is 80 seconds. The towel chamber size is 45 centimeters. The steam work time is 20 minutes and the voltage is 120 volts. I'm really excited about the steam work time because my old steamer, the Nouveau Med steamer, I think she would steam for maybe about On a full tank, I would say she would steam for about 7 to 10 minutes, somewhere in between there. But this one can go for 20 minutes. I'm going to open it now, and I'm just going to show y'all everything that comes with the steamer. I'm going to show y'all the beauty tools and the products that it comes with. There is like a little thing on the side that kind of has like the how to use. I am going to follow that, but I'm not going to read it because I don't want to. It comes with a card, and I'm assuming this is a user guide. So it comes with this, which is, maybe it has like a page that will tell you what everything is. What's in the box, 17 pieces. I'm gonna read this page, but I'm not reading nothing else. So this is a facial scrubber. It comes with a spa headband. I actually have like 4 of these already. You can never have too many. Like, you can never have too many. These are facial razors. Why they got this package like a, but for real, why they got this package like a dildo? What is this? Ultrasonic facial brush. I've never had one of these. And there's a power button, so I'm assuming it does something. And I'm sure the user guide will tell me like what it does and how to use it, but it comes with a ultrasonic facial spatula. And in here there's a charger. That's nice. We have a jade roller and a spatula brush. These are the extraction tools, I guess, for like the blackheads, the whiteheads. This is what you would use. A pack of jelly masks. I don't know how many are in here, but vampire jelly masks. Lastly, we have the steamer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why every time it's like an unboxing, I'm struggling to open something? This is huge. It's really not that big in person, but like it is a nice decent size compared to this. Yeah, big mama. Big mama. What am I gonna do with her? Like, I really don't know. This is the towel chamber, I'm assuming. No, this is where you put the water. Where's the towel chamber? That's a really nice amount of water. And it just snaps on like so perfectly, like on and off switch. Can't take the top off. Oh, would you look at that? You can take the top off. I don't know what this is. I'm really gonna have to read like the instructions a little bit more. I'm wondering where the towel chamber is. Like, I kind of want to find that. So there are 5 treatments in the jelly mask. There are 5 different masks. This is nice. I like this. The towel chamber is actually this part that this part. This is the towel chamber. Take that out, and then I guess they really want you to put a small towel in here because this isn't that big. I have some smaller towels. I think I could fit it in there. I thought this video may have been a little bit longer. The unboxing, I didn't really feel like reading the instructions and how to use it because that's just something that I'm gonna do when I decide to use it. I also wanted to thank you guys for 96 subscribers. We are so close to 100, and I could not be more grateful for everybody and anybody who has shown me support in any way along this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.